Euro dollar daily forecast, March 27th, FXEmpire.com. The euro dollar pair went absolutely nowhere during the session on Tuesday, which is a bit interesting considering we are sitting on the 1.2850 area, which on the longer term charts show signs of possible longer term support. With that being the case, it's very likely that we could see a continuation of this sideways move for some time. We think that it's interesting that the euro didn't perform particularly well against anything uh, during the session on Tuesday, and as a matter of fact, even with the so-called bailout of Cyprus, the market really hasn't reacted much to it. The euro just sits here at these depressed levels. It is because of this that we think selling rallies is probably going to be the way to go. There could very well be a headline knee jerk reaction to something out there. And then, of course, we think that selling that is probably going to be the way to go because uh, money is flowing into the United States in general. Remember, in that financial crisis that we had a couple years ago, there were no deposits lost in America, as opposed to Cyprus, which has just signed into action uh, the confiscation of deposits in order to bail out their banks. So, having said that, one would have to think that large amounts of money are leaving the eurozone. The question then becomes whether or not we can break down the support below. We very well could, and we would consider selling a break of the lows of the session, but quite frankly, we're much more comfortable shorting this market closer to the 130 level, as that should offer significant resistance and give us a little bit of momentum to possibly break down the support to the downside.